Hi guys, it's Coach Kelly. For your assignment today, you are going to be making a banner that could eventually go up at the very top of our Google Classroom. Okay, you have a blank template. Yours should look something more like this, but I'm going to show you a couple tools that might help you have some fun while making this. Okay, first of all, look at your rubric because on the rubric it specifies the things that you have to have on this to get full credit. Okay, however, here's some ways that you can have fun. So the background, it's different than a slide. To do the background, you right click, come to background. If you like it kind of faded different colors, that's gradient. If you want it one solid color, you can do this. Underneath gradient, you can go to custom and have all sorts of fun with changing things up just a little bit. Now, you might notice I put in a Bitmoji. Now I'm going to tell you right now, I'm not sure if this will work for you guys. However, if you'd like to try, you can Google Bitmoji extension. It should come to this page and you hit add extension. Mine says remove because I already added it. Once it's added, you can come up here to extensions on your Chromebook and it will pop up. Okay, it takes a matter of seconds. So if you want to try to get your own Bitmojis on here, you are welcome to try that. Once you do, and you want to add one, you come up here to extensions, you hit your Bitmoji one, and then you can pick through all the different Bitmojis. So if I want, let's see, best wishes, I could take it and pull it in here. Okay, I already have one in there. I have my stay safe banner since that's going to be a big part of this year. Okay, the other thing you can do just to show you a few more, this is a text box. So you can put in a text box wherever you would like. And then you can move it around. You can make it bigger. Okay. The last thing you could do, you could add shapes. Okay, you can add lines. Or you can insert images. On images, you can upload from your computer if you have anything saved. You can search the web over here for whatever it is you're looking for. You can also use your camera. So for those of you who have a camera, which I believe for sure 5th graders, 4th graders, your computers might, since they're handed down, have a camera and you can take a picture of you right now if you wanted to. Okay, just like that. I already took one and I could insert that in there as well. Okay, hopefully that gives you a few ideas of how to use this, but please play around. Look, there's a ton of tools. You can arrange things. There's different formats. You can play with the font. Okay, have fun making a banner. Throughout the year, we are going to use these to switch out the banners of our classroom. So make it fun, make it creative, and also explore the tools that you will be using throughout the year. Have fun!